Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explain how to create a Shopify account and start your free trial. To create a Shopify account and start your free trial, go to Shopify and click the free trial button. You will be asked to enter your email address, create a password, and choose a store, which is a store name. After clicking create your store, Shopify will guide you through a new basic questions like what you're selling, your experience level. These help tailor your dashboard but aren't required to move forward. So once inside your Shopify admin, your free trial begins automatically. So or long if your Shopify is offering an extended trial. So you can start building your store immediately, add product, choose a theme, customize your layout, set up a payment, and configure shipping. You won't need to enter a payment info until you are ready to pick a subscription plan or launch your store live. During this trial, you can explore more features to set or test if Shopify suits your business before committing, and that's it.